Hi, my name is Usman, and in today's video training of Python, we will be looking at Python Math. Python has a set of built-in math functions, including an extensive math module that allows users to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Built-in math functions. The min and max functions can be used to find the lowest or highest value in an iterable. Let's see an example. If we have a variable x and we want to find the minimum value between three numbers, let's say 5, 10 and 25, the min function will extract the minimum value and assign it to the variable x. Similarly, we can use the max function to find the maximum value from the parameters like 5, 10 and 25. So 25 is the maximum value and it will be assigned to the variable y. Let's see this in action. Okay, let's create x variable and we say min and we pass in 5, 10, 25 and variable y max 5, 10 and 25. Let's print the value of variable x. Let's print the value of variable y. Let's run the program. You see we have 5 and 25. So min function returned the minimum value from the parameters and the max function returned the maximum value from the parameters. So we got 5 and 25 on the console as an output. Now let's look at the second built-in math function, that is ABS. The ABS function returns the absolute positive value of the specified number. So let's say ABS minus 7.24 will return an absolute positive value and assign it to the variable x. And let's print x to see the output. Okay, x equals ABS and minus 7.25. Let's print the variable x and let's run the program. You see we have got 7.25, which is a positive value of the number that we gave to the absolute function. The next function is pow function, POW, and it takes two parameters x and y and it returns the value of x to the power of y. So if you want to return, let's say if you want to return the value of 4 to the power of 3, same as 4 into 4 into 4, you just need to call the function pow and pass in 4 comma 3, and this will return the power of 4 to the power value of 4 to the power of 3 and assign it to the variable x. Let's see this in action. I'm commenting the previous example functions that we used in this video training. So because I'm going to push this code to the GitHub repository of Python, and you can download this code from there for your own use, and that's why I'm commenting the above examples, so don't worry about those. So x equals POW 4 comma 3 and print the value of variable x. Run the program. You see we have got 64 on the console. Python has also a built-in module called math, which extends the list of mathematical functions. To use it, you must import the math module. So just simply use the import keyword followed by the math name module. When you have imported the math module, you can start using methods and constants of the module. The math.sqrt method, for example, returns the square root of a number. So okay, let's import the math module and use the math.sqrt function and pass it in the number. This function will return the square root of 64 and assign it to the variable x, and let's print the variable x. Let's see this in action. Okay, let's go back to PyCharm. Okay, and x is equal to, first we need to import the math module, and x equals math.sqrt, and we pass in 64 and print x and run the program. You see we have got 8 on the console as an output, which is the square root of 64. Now let's look at the next method in the math module, that is the ceil method. The math.ceil method rounds a number upwards to its nearest integer, and the math.floor method rounds a number downwards to its nearest integer, and returns the result. So import math, x equals math.ceil 1.4, y equals math.floor 1.4, print x and print y. Let's see this in action. Go back to PyCharm and comment this. Okay, let's import math, and x equal math.ceil and 1.4, y equals math.floor 1.4. Let's print the value of variable x. Let's print the value of variable y. Run the program. You see the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1, because the ceil function upgraded the number to upward, which is 2, and the floor function downgraded it to the nearest number, which is 1. Let me organize this and I can do this. Yes, okay. Save the program, go back to our PowerPoint, and the next function is math.py constraint, returns the value of pi. So the math library also have some constraint values which you can use in your program. So let's see this. Okay, import math and print math.py. Let's run the program. You see we have got the value of pi on the console as an output. So these were some operations which you can do in Python related to mathematics, and you can use the built-in math module in Python. I'm saving this file and will be uploading it to the GitHub repository of Python, and the link of that GitHub repository is also given in the description of this video, so you can download this code from there. And that's it for this video training in Python. See you next time with new topic. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, take care.